Hey guys, wanna know how to add objects in MetaTrader 4? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, adding objects in MetaTrader is really easy. What you gotta do is make sure you are on this candles tab right here. Now once you're there, on the top right you can see this shapes like icon. Simply click on it. These are the objects. So what you can do is here you can quick select any objects, or if you want more just simply select add on this top right icon right here. Now scroll down until you see the right one. For now I'll just go with rectangle, and now just simply drag and drop in the chart and you can see the rectangle shape has been created just like that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.